Okay, guys. Okay, I gotta talk louder. Okay, guys. So I already shampooed my hair with the shampoo from Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Stout and Shine recipes. This says intense moisture clarifying shampoo. However, I did not find this moisturizing at all, like not one bit. But I'm not surprised that it was very drying to my hair, because I mean, it's a clarifying shampoo. It's supposed to really clean your hair, so that means it's gonna take away a lot of that, you know, moisture and oils and natural oils and dirt and everything. I love that it's sulfate free, paraben free, has no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicones. However, this was very drying. You'll see when I take this off. But so I'm very disappointed that this was not moisturizing. Alright, so this is the Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. This is sulfate free, paraben free, has no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones. It is enriched with avocado and tamanu oils. So this is what the packaging looks like. And you can use this conditioner 2 different ways. So you can deep condition with this, or you can just use it like a regular conditioner in the shower or in your wash routine. It says you can put a plastic cap over your hair and sit under the hooded dryer for 10 minutes. But let's see how dry this is. Like I was telling you guys, you're gonna say, whoa. Hey, look at this crap. Like, look how dry it is. But my hair is saying, help me. Help me. That's what it's saying right now because my hair is so dry. When you're rinsing it out, oh my gosh, it don't want to come out. Look, like I feel like I was rinsing for like hours.
Are you done? Are you done?
Okay guys, so let's get started on applying this deep conditioner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start detangling my hair because I really like to detangle my hair fully before I apply any product, to be honest. I don't like it to be tangled at all. So I'm gonna take some of this, guys. I like to take like a chunk full, to be honest, but I got like about that much. It's like all over the place. It's like really thick and creamy. Smells good. I smell a hint of like a peppermint kind of smell. And then it smells like the rest of the line as well. From what I've smelled when I did my unboxing, I smelled a lot of the products. So also we'll take more and really just slap it all on the ends of my hair. I am raking my fingers through, but that still isn't good enough for me. I still like to take my Denman brush and just go through like twice to make sure it's getting to all my strands as much as possible. So that is what I do when I am deep conditioning. And for the most part, I normally do it in this many sections. I have to do this many sections, I feel, because it's so thick. And if I just do one fat chunk, I feel like I still might miss stuff. Or not just that, I feel like you use more product when you do bigger sections than when you do smaller sections. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I will be back. This is what I did exactly right here is what I'm going to do to my whole entire head. And I'll see you when I'm done. Wait. See? Gracias. But I have to plug it in, so hold on. Your girl is done. Your girl is finally done with her hair. I'm going to put this on my head. It's like a shower cap here on the inside, stick on the outside. I am also gonna go grab a plastic cap. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this over my hair first before I apply another cap. Now I'm going to apply this one on, and this is the one with like a shower cap material on the inside to interlock in that heat, and then this is like silky, so it's gonna really keep the heat inside my cap and on my head, so the heat can really just stay inside as it's heating up. Blow dryer right here, and what I like to do is apply this cap I'll put the blow dryer onto this cap and put this on my head. I'm going to connect my blow dryer to this, and then we're going to sit under this heat and deep condition for 10 to 20 minutes. For me, I'm going to do 20 minutes as my hair was really dry. I'm sorry, really dry. So I have it on here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my low heat setting on this, and I'll be doing this for 10 minutes. No. 20 minutes.
Starfish.
I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Today is the next day. I always, pretty much 100% of the time, air dry. And now we're going to do the unreveal for 100% dry. Take this down. Okay, so my curls are really nice. Me personally, I never care about my hair being hard. But the thing is, usually my hair is never still hard the next day. So that is something different. I think it has to do with the hair mist and sprays I use when my hair is done. Like there's an olive oil one I use and it softens up my curls. So the next day, on day 2, my hair is no longer hard. With this spray mist, it didn't make it softer. I mean, it's softer, but it's still got a little hard. Right here, it's really hard. I mean, it's kind of got a pretty good hold on it. If it's this good and intact on day 2, I can only imagine how much longer these curls are going to last throughout the week. And my hair always gets softer and bigger every single day. I'm loving it. I really am. It's not that hard. It's just this section is though, right here. And it's probably because I did apply a little bit more of this because this is my like problem area that just does not want to cooperate with the rest of my curls. This and this section want to do its own thing. But it actually looks good, and I did apply more gel just to make sure it actually held, and that's why this part's a little, like it's the hardest out of everything, and the rest of it's not even that hard, but it does have a hold, so it's kind of got a light hold to it. Like there's no frizz, there's good hold, like, and the curls look nice and shiny. Like what? This is my new fave. Like I said, I don't mind the hardness as long as my hair is not dry and it's not breaking off, and I'm gentle with it and really taking care and watching my ends. I don't care about it. And then it's gonna get soft as the days go. Normally, like I said, by day 2, like by now, it is soft, but with this one, in the areas I applied more, it is hard. It's still hard, but not the rest of my hair. It's got a light, hard hold. Look, very light. Because I feel like they got all on my face right now. So I'm going to take more of that gel. And I'm going to apply a little bit on my edges. There was this one other product right here that I did not get a chance to use. I will be testing this out soon because the fall is coming, and I'll probably tend to do more styles with this type of product. I already know how I felt about the shampoo. I don't even need to waste another second of my breath on that. The next product was the Thirst Quench Recovery Conditioner. Guys, this is my new fave. I don't know if you guys really noticed, but this really put moisture, like a lot of moisture, back into my hair after that shampoo. The next product obviously is this. I already gave my pretty much my review on this, that it does make it hard. I'm okay with that. A lot of people won't be, but you can go in and take oil and like squeeze out and make it softer and soften up that that hold, that hard cast. Normally, I would at least put a leave-in conditioner, but this collection didn't come with it, nor did it say to apply one. So I just literally did what the instructions said, and I love the results. I am, like I said, look forward for the video of me using a cream with this to see how it works out, if it softens the curls, like really softens the curls or not. And when I come back to review this with the cream, I will let you guys know then how it worked without the cream, how long the moisture lasts. Next product is the Shine Boss Refreshing Mist. So, love this. Has amazing shine, smells amazing, has amazing ingredients. You cannot go wrong with this. So if you see this in the store, pick it up and you'll thank me later. Love it. I highly recommend this, and this for sure. These are good for anyone, everyone, no matter what type of curls you like. You're gonna love these two products. As far as the shampoo and the gel, this may vary depending on your hair, if you would like these two items from the collection. And that is my final review. That is the end of this video, finally. What? And I love my results. I highly recommend. And I will be testing out, like I said, that gel to see if it will give a softer hold for those of you who don't like the hard hold. So just stay tuned for that, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was helpful for you. But other than that, you guys have a wonderful day or night.